knew, because you weren't so big, and
Yeah.
inevitably you got the same person
Yeah.
all the time. So I found last year I hardly ever knew anybody from the K. I was saying that, I did have one chap this week that I knew.
Oh, that's good.
He has this great big truck thing, van thing.
Oh,
You
it's
have to get a step out for it.
Oh. Yeah, it's everywhere. Potty.
They say that roundabout by Sainsbury's is used inferior.
Oh yeah,
inferior.
on the road, yeah.
It's got to come up again.
I believe so, yeah. Sounds about right. Honestly, it's just unbelievable. Oh, it's going to cause a lot of chaos again, isn't it?
Isn't it back way into Sainsbury's, isn't it?
Yeah, you can go through Huntington, can't you?
I don't know.
Yeah, you know, down Sandy Lane.
Yes, I know Sandy Lane.
Yeah, just go down there and you take you through to Sainsbury.
Oh, right, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I do that.
Yeah, you go down Sandy Lane.
Yeah.
Past the Red House.
Oh, I know the Red House.
Yeah. Then turn left just after the Red House. That's called Caldy Valley.
All right.
Just go along there as if you're going back towards Sainsbury's roundabout, but Sainsbury's is on your right. Whoa!
Is there an ambulance or something?
No, well, no one's fault. It was his own fault.
Oh, is that him? Oh, I thought he was under the bike.
No.
Nobody hurt, is there?
Doesn't look like.
What did he do? Did he skid or did he try and go
Yeah,
faster?
he sort of went. I think he went to brake, but he put the accelerator,
Yeah.
so he lost control of it.
We were just talking about accidents.
It was, yeah.